What about houseflies? These guys are so annoying. They're all about open trash cans, leftover food scraps, and uncovered pet food. Parties at your place, according to them. Step 1 to showing flies the door? A clean sweep. Secure those trash lids, clear away food scraps, and cover up pet food. You're not running a fly bed in breakfast. Now, for our fly-repelling secret weapon, lavender oil. Flies hate the smell of lavender, which, honestly, is just delightful. Water's up next. It's the base of our repellent, diluting the lavender oil just enough to spread the lovely smell flies can't stand. A splash of witch hazel helps blend everything smoothly. It's like the mixer at this repellent party. Shake up these simple 3 ingredients to banish flies forever. It's your very own fly repellent super mix. Spray this lovely lavender concoction around windows, doors, and trash areas. Flies will get the hint that they're not welcome. It's like an invisible, smell-good barrier. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, pest-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and empowering. Remember, you've got this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your own tips, questions, or success stories. Your feedback makes us all stronger and smarter. If you enjoyed this guide and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Together, let's keep our homes safe and sound.